Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Land Cruiser versus the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. We'll explore how these two iconic SUVs stack up against each other in various categories. The Land Cruiser is renowned for its rugged durability and go-anywhere capability, a true workhorse. Meanwhile, the G-Class offers unparalleled luxury and a distinctive, commanding presence. Both are premium vehicles, but they cater to slightly different desires. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to off-road capability, both vehicles are incredibly impressive. The Land Cruiser, with its body-on-frame construction and advanced four-wheel drive systems, is built to conquer the toughest trails. The G-Class, however, boasts 3 locking differentials and exceptional ground clearance, making it equally formidable. While the Land Cruiser often feels more utilitarian, the G-Class blends its ruggedness with a touch of luxury, even when tackling extreme terrain. It's a close call for true adventurers. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And speaking of great content, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks fresh on any adventure, whether it's a road trip or just a busy week. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video. Stepping inside, the differences become more apparent. The Land Cruiser provides a spacious and highly functional interior, designed for practicality and long-term durability. It's comfortable but focuses on robust utility. The G-Class, on the other hand, offers a lavish cabin filled with premium materials, advanced infotainment, and exquisite craftsmanship. You'll find plush leather, sophisticated technology, and a truly luxurious ambience. While both offer comfort, the G-Class clearly prioritizes high-end refinement in its passenger experience. Under the hood, the G-Class typically offers more powerful engine options, delivering quicker acceleration and a more dynamic on-road performance. The Land Cruiser, while still capable, emphasizes smooth power delivery and legendary reliability over raw speed. This difference extends to their price points. The G-Class often starts at a significantly higher cost, reflecting its luxury positioning. Both offer strong resale value, but the initial investment and performance characteristics set them apart.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.